From the QA archive. Regression testing. Explained in 60 seconds. In simple terms, after developers change something in the software, regression testing checks that everything that previously worked still works.
Example: 1. A menu link bug is fixed. 2. The tester retests the link. 3. They then may check other menu links still work. The menu functions on desktop and mobile. Colors and fonts are still correct. These additional tests are what we would call a regression test.
When is it used? Regression testing is often used after bug fixes, after new features are added, prior to a release. Typically, regression test cases are handpicked from existing test cases to form a regression test suite. The QA archive.